Hello everyone, welcome back again to Math School. Sorry for late, but here I am with Math School again and the real number. This is the third class, so let's get started. Today we will explain some examples, and here is example number 1. Determine the two irrational numbers between root 3 and 4. Here root 3 is equal to, we know the value from the calculator. Let us consider a is equal to this value and b is equal to this value. We are considering these two values for a and b. Now here both a and b are real numbers and both are greater than root 3 and less than 4. As for example, here I is equal to, as for example, we all know that here root 3 is less than is equal to a. We have considered this a is equal to this value. Root 3 is less than is equal to 2.030033 and less than is equal to 4, and root 3 is less than is equal to this value, and root 3 is less than this value, less than 4. Again, a and b cannot be expressed into fractions, so a and b are the two required numbers which were called irrational numbers. So in this way we can define irrational numbers between two numbers. Here are the basic characteristics of addition and multiplication over a real number. So now we will discuss about the characteristics of addition and multiplication over a real number. If a and b are real numbers, then what will happen? A plus b is equal to a real and ab is a real number. If a and b are real numbers, then a plus b is equal to b plus a and ab is equal to ba. If ab and c are real numbers, then a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. From this, please notice carefully. Here a plus b is in first bracket, plus c is equal to a plus b plus c, and ab into c. Here a and b are together. ab into c is equal to a into bc. Here bc is together. If a is a real number, in real number there exists only two numbers. We all know that, and the numbers are 0 and 1, where 0 not is equal to 1 and a plus 0 is equal to a, and a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. If a is a real number, a plus minus a is equal to 0. Why? This a is a plus value a and this a is a minus value a, and we all know that plus and minus, if we multiply plus and minus, there will be minus, then plus value a and minus value a, and the result is 0. If a not is equal to 0, and a into 1 by a is equal to 1. If a and b are real numbers, then a less than b or a is equal to b or a greater than b. These three things can happen. If a, b and c are real numbers, then a into b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. And some more things can happen here. If a, b and c are real numbers, then a less than b can be happen. A plus c less than b plus a plus c less than b plus c also can happen. If a, b and c are real numbers and a less than b, then ac less than bc, where c less than 0, and if ac greater than bc, c less than 0. So all these things we see here, these are the basic characteristics of multiplication and addition over a real number, and these 9 things can happen, and this will help you to do maths in the next class. So here is the end of our class, and hope you have understand everything clearly. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to my channel. Thank you all.